Hi guys, I'm Tala Soubra. This is my mom, Lily Soubra. And today we're making one of my favorite dishes, which is Sheikh El-Mehshi. My mom could better explain what Sheikh El-Mehshi means in English.
Yes, this is the royal eggplant, which we cook with lean beef meat, pine nuts, salt, pepper, and some fresh tomatoes. And now in a while we will go into details how to assemble all the ingredients together, and then we'll show you how we bake it. And we usually bake it for 20 minutes, temperature 200, gas 4.
It's such a traditional Lebanese dish. It's tomato based, so you constantly get that warmth feeling when you have it. I don't think I remember the time you taught me how to make it, but it was constantly part of my childhood.
I could remember that very well. Tala used to be around 6 or 7 years old, and she didn't have much of an appetite, but I would always try to use and cook new recipes that would make her eat better. So this thing was one of her favorites. Yeah. I would start preparing and she would come and stand beside me on a stool, and she was extremely patient to have the food ready. So she ate quite well when I cooked this meal.
I think what's interesting to know that as a child, I hated to eat. I would never eat. My mom used to force me to eat by trying different recipes, but as I grew older, I became more discerning and I just ended up loving food.
At the very beginning, we add half of these tomatoes. We spread them even in the bottom of the oven-proof tray. Yeah, this will be great like that.
So we're just putting half of the tomato base into the pan.
Okay, we're done with spreading half of the tomatoes. Now we'll start assembling the eggplant one by one, which we previously deep fried and had them strained in the strainer, so we lose all the most of the fried oil.
And you said before, some people were saying they bake their eggplants.
Yes, some people, yes, they do. But I tried all 3 ways. The best way is to fry the eggplant.
Yeah.
We get better results and it tastes so much better.
Yeah, I think it makes the skin of the eggplant a bit crusty.
That's true.
And it softens it. It's
That's
just, I think, 3 to 5 minutes. So
would be
it's not too
more than
intense. Okay, so I'm going to continue to cut each eggplant in half. So it's going to be basically a boat, which we're going to open up afterwards.
Yeah, so it's going to be very nice like that. You cut them all. You know, I like the organic ones that we usually find in Spinneys. They're amazing. They're so much different than the regular eggplants that we buy during the summertime. You know, they would have black seeds inside.
These are actually so white inside, which is quite
white
rare.
And with no seeds. This is my favorite kind of eggplant.
The next step would be to put in the meat mixture.
Now it's better if you start putting like 1 full teaspoon in each eggplant. No spilling now. You know that when we talked about the spices, it's so amazing to add the cinnamon. Cinnamon is very good.
Yeah, you actually add cinnamon to all the meat.
Yes, all the meats. I found out cinnamon gives a nice flavor.
Okay.
And it's healthy. It's a healthy spice also.
I think it also breaks like the taste of the meat.
The taste of the meat. That's very true.
And do we use, we're using red onions now?
We're using red onions.
Rather than the white?
Yes.
You like to use the red onions?
I like to use the red onions in this meal. It gives it a better taste, and I don't like to chop them very tiny, so small. Okay. They would look so nice with the meat. It gives the red color with the meat. It's amazing. It's very nice. It's better to put the rest of the tomatoes on top also, as well as the meat. It's good.
Okay.
Wow. You've improved a lot in the kitchen.
Thanks, Mother. I take after you. So now it goes in the oven, right?
Yeah, it goes in the oven for 20 minutes.
Excellent.
And we just slide in the tray, the oven proof tray for 20 minutes. I think my oven is calling me. Let's check Tala oven.
Oh my God, it smells so good.
Smells so good.
Delicious.
And you guys were so close here. You can smell. Let's go, Tala.
That's good, yummy.
Delicious.
Okay, if you finish all this plate, you get some ice cream today. That's very good.
So good.
That's good. That's great. That's yummy. Smells so good.
Thanks, Mom.
These tomatoes are very good.